Have you ever imagined a machine that could think, learn, and understand the world just like a human? That's what artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is all about. It's not just another smart computer program, it's the next level of artificial intelligence. Today, we mostly use what's called narrow AI. These systems are designed to do very specific tasks. For example, an AI might be great at recognizing faces, translating languages, recommending movies, or even beating the best players at chess. But if you ask that same AI to cook a meal, solve a new kind of puzzle, or understand a joke, it wouldn't know what to do. That's because it wasn't built to think beyond its one job. A GI is completely different. It's designed to be general purpose. That means it wouldn't just follow rules or learn patterns from data, it would actually understand the world, form its own ideas, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, just like we do. In theory, an AGI could do anything a human can do intellectually. It could write stories, solve complex math problems, have conversations, invent new technologies, learn new skills, and even reflect on its own thoughts. The key difference between AGI and today's AI is flexibility. Right now, we have to train separate models for different jobs. But AGI could learn from one area and apply that knowledge somewhere else. Just like a person might use lessons from playing sports to improve teamwork at work, AGI could transfer learning across domains. So, how close are we to building a GI? And the answer depends on who you ask. Some researchers think we might see AGI within the next few decades. Others believe it could take a century or might never happen at all. The truth is, no one knows for sure, but progress in AI is moving fast. Powerful models like GPT, which can generate human like language, or AlphaZero, which learned to master complex games on its own, are early signs that we're getting closer to something truly intelligent. But AGI isn't just a technical challenge, it raises big questions for humanity. If we build something more intelligent than us, how do we control it? Who decides how it's used? Could it help us solve huge problems like climate change, disease, or poverty? Or could it become a threat if it's misused or misunderstood? These aren't just science fiction scenarios anymore. Leaders in tech and research are already debating how to build AGI safely, how to align it with human values, and how to make sure it benefits everyone, not just a few. Some even argue that building AGI could be the most important project in human history. In the end, artificial general intelligence could be our greatest invention or our biggest mistake. The future depends on how we choose to build it, use it, and guide it. So next time you hear someone say AI, ask yourself, is it narrow AI doing one thing well? Or are we talking about something much bigger, the kind of intelligence that could one day rival our own? Thanks for watching. If you want to explore more big ideas like this, then make sure to stick around.